my PRADA Nylon backpack. I got this because everybody was getting the Nylon Re-Edition, but I kind of wanted to do a different take on it. I really liked the shape of this one. It wasn't too big and it wasn't too small. Versus all the other ones, they're sometimes a lot bigger with 2 pockets, or they're a lot smaller. I thought this was a perfect medium. It has 2 metal clasps here that I don't really use. I just let it fall. And then it has a drawstring right here. The scarf originally was going to be like 90 bucks, but I got it for 10 because Century 21 was going out of business. In this pocket here, I don't really use it very much. When I got the backpack, it was already a little bit bent. I try not to use this pocket as much. I put my wallet. This is a Balenciaga card holder in silver chrome. It's actually women's, but I just thought I liked it a lot and it didn't really have like a gender to it in my opinion, so I got it. And then it has a double B, but my name's Blade, so I go to my favorite coffee shop a lot. I go to her almost like daily almost. I really wanted to give up coffee. I've been saying that for like years and years. This is like a Manso knockoff. In this pocket I have 2 of these in my bag. This is my friend's jewelry line, Daisy London x Estée Lalonde. I always carry some of her jewelry. I need to go get piercings for these earrings. This is a Trinity ring, the Figaro link in gold. I mostly just wear Estée's line from Daisy London. Most of the jewelry I wear are sentimental. This is like the first one that I've gotten that's like not sentimental. This is my aunt's. I wear a lot of my aunt's jewelry and my grandma's. I moved the camera a little bit because this is my grandma's necklace. I had to go get it repaired. In my other what's in my bag, I've shared this before. Matka, Boska, Częstochowska, and the cross were on 2 different chains before, but I just put them on one. And then I also added rubies and a diamond onto the link. I just like it close to me because it is my grandma and grandpa's. Usually I keep the drawstring a little bit open, but it's also because in my bag I also have another drawstring bag, but that's me just like being concerned about the resale value of the bag. I probably think I'll keep it, so you don't really have to worry about that. But I have my Moleskine. I've had these since 2016 and like on a shelf. Each year has its own book. Since it just fills up with all my receipts, journal entries from like Los Angeles to do scheduling. I have the sunglasses from Movement. I became a brand ambassador too in the last month, I think. First I like sponsored one of their watches, which is this one. They let me select one from the women's line because I also feel like fashion doesn't have a gender. So I thought that was cool of them. And they also gave me a discount code. If you want to use it, it's here. This video is not sponsored by them, but that's my discount code for 15% off of their jewelry and accessories site-wide. These are the sunglasses. Okay. And so, smaller dust bag in the bag so it doesn't lose its shape. I have 2 things from Paris. These are lens cleaning wipe. This is a little velvet, not velvet, it's a little silk pouch that was in a Dior bag from like the Dior fashion show. I just keep my excess cards that I don't really use as much in here. This is an extra memory card and a Macbook Hub, since they took away all the ports on the Macintoshes now. So I just carry this with me in case I have to go on my computer for editing. This usually goes here. Hair salon hair clips. This is what I do. 1, 2, 3, 4 hand sanitizers. These I got at the same time. I found these pink hand sanitizers and I thought they were cute, so I got them. And then I have a Baby Yoda hand sanitizer, Eon electrolyzed misting sanitizer. This one's a drawing pencil because if you don't know, I have well, my degree is in photography and videography. That was my concentration, but I was a studio art major, so drawing. My original major was entrepreneurship and business marketing and management. And that was going to have a minor in marketing, but I ended up just dropping out and switching to the art program. I also have a cross pencil and a Muji pen. I have another pen in here, the Micron .35 pen, but I can't find it right now. I've been really bad about wearing them, and I've had them for like 3 years now, and I just haven't gotten through them all, but I've just been bad about keeping it up. I also miss my buck teeth, so I think that's why. Here are my keys. I wanted the Karl Lagerfeld mini little AirPod case. I ended up not getting it because of how controversial he is. I just put a little flower and then some pink key things on my keys so I don't lose it. This is a Zuger Policier Switzerland Swiss Army knife, and they're legal in the United States if it's under 1.24 inches or 1.43. You can fly with it, and it's just another grade of protection. It comes in handy because it also has like scissors, face mask. It's from the Japanese store. It's better for your skin. I got my haircut at a new place recently, and that was stressful for me in a little bit. I have extra face masks. These are just like the disposable ones that are black. When I was in LA, my friend Julia, she gave me this. It's just like a little, it's actually for like a lot of small things left. I have a million chapsticks. These are all my chapsticks. There was a moment where I wasn't drinking enough water, so I was like, my lips are really chapped. A chapstick every single time I was out. Hello Kitty. My favorite fruit is mango, so I have a lot of mango flavor. Some that actually work, so like Nivea and this brand. This was a fragrance that I used to get because I never bought it because it was like $200. But I eventually ended up getting the smaller one, which is like maybe $80 bucks. I had to Gorilla Glue the white pop socket because it kept falling off, but it still falls off sometimes, which is weird. So that's my phone. The only applications that I let on my phone are Instagram, YouTube, and Robinhood. Sometimes I carry this jade roller. It's like massages your face when you're stressed. I used to have like a lot of anxiety and stuff, but this actually I think helped me because it helps with lymphatic drainage of your face. I carried 2 lighters. One is this one that I got from a layover in Hong Kong. It looked a lot different than the American lighter, so I thought it was cool. Clipper.eu. And then I have a white lighter. A lot of people say it's bad luck to carry it, but that's exactly why I carry it, so that I can make my own luck. The hair mask that my hairstylist from home recommends. She almost became like a photo shoot hairstylist, but she didn't want to do that because she liked working in a small town instead. Usually I use like the Wen conditioning cleanser because I don't use shampoo and conditioner because it dries out your hair because of the ingredients usually. After I do that, then I use a hair mask. So I have this one. This is my actual favorite one. It's the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask, and I just use that as a conditioner instead of conditioner. I got these when I was in LA. They're like little patches for your face, but it helps dry out the acne, like spot treatment. I got 2 gift cards for Buffalo Exchange because they liked my outfit, so they took a photo of me shopping, and then they gave me 2 gift cards for my next purchase of $25 or more. They usually do have good stuff at their store. They have like designer pieces sometimes. The ones in Brooklyn are a lot nicer than the ones in Manhattan, I feel like, because they're less picked through. I have another Daisy London baggie. This one holds like sentimental items that my friends gave me. So this is a little Thai Buddha that I got from Thailand. This is a Hamza. It's from the jewelry store in Brooklyn. My friend Mary Sarah gave me that one. Avocado that my friend Maddie gave me like 4 years ago. This is my grandpa's. It's a Thai like holder. Little heart post-it notes. I like going into like Japanese and Korean stationery stores and looking at their stationery, so I have these in case I have snail mail to write. This one's kind of an upgrade from my previous 2, and I also like it a lot more, and it matches my personality at least a little more than my previous ones. I'm gonna put the jewelry store that I like on the screen or in the description below, and that's a place I like going for pre-loved jewelry or for like getting repairs and stuff. They're really nice. It's like family owned, so they'll always give you like a discount if you go frequently. vapor inhalers in case I need to breathe because I have a deviated septum and respiratory issues ever since I was born. So I carry these. It kind of makes me not carry everything that I would normally carry in like a regular backpack, which is also nice because otherwise I'm just usually lugging around like my laptop, everything that I need for work, and then everything else.